Most of you just came into the crypto space early this year, and most of you do not know how the crypto markets actually work, thinking that you go up forever and ever, but you will not. So in this video, you will learn about how the market cycles work and how money flows in the crypto world. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, I mainly cover investing topics, stocks, crypto, and forex. And I'm just your fellow investor, just sharing knowledge I have about the financial markets. If you haven't already, please help to serenade the like button and drop a comment for the algo. I'm going to make this video as short as possible because I want to give out the info ASAP to you guys. And do stay tuned for my next video because I will be sharing my crypto investing strategy and when exactly to take profits. First things first, how to determine if it's a bull or bear market. As mentioned in previous videos, the only chart you need to look at is Bitcoin's chart. When price of Bitcoin is above the 21 and 34 weekly EMA, it's a bull market. If it's below, it's a mini/bear market entirely. I shall link my previous video on the top right of your screen and down below. So looking at previous data, this is the 2013 bull run. As you can see here, price of Bitcoin stays above the 21 and 34 weekly EMA. So the blue is the 21 and the red is the 34 EMA. So it stays all the way above until around 2014, all right, mid-March. It then started to trade below the EMAs, and that's what we call the bear market. And look at 2017. Well, it started off at around mid 2015, and the real gains were made in 2017. As you can see here, Bitcoin traded above the 21 and 34 EMA all the way till early 2018, and then we have another bear market. Okay, and currently 2020 2021 bull market, right? Well, first, price of Bitcoin dropped during the March 2020. It dropped below the 2 EMAs, and around the start of June, it started trading above the 21 and 34 EMA and traded above it until what happened? April, May period, where it suddenly dropped below. So as you can see, it's still trading just below the 2 EMAs. So I would say this is considered a mini bear market. Okay, some might be wondering, why do I only look at Bitcoin's chart? Well, Bitcoin is the king of crypto, and price of Bitcoin affects the markets heavily. And this is because before stablecoins existed, all altcoins only had trading pairs against BTC. And even though now there are many altcoin and stablecoin pairs, many people still trade altcoins against Bitcoin. For example, Ethereum/BTC and many others. So this is why Bitcoin affects everything else so much. If Bitcoin drops severely, altcoins will be down much more. Okay, let's talk about the path to Altseason during a bull market, a term most of you have heard before. This is the table that I've created. You can pause and read it, but in summary, fiat money first flows to Bitcoin at the start of the bull market. Then the money flows into Ethereum, where it starts to greatly outperform Bitcoin. The money then flows into large cap coins, the top 10, the top 50 coins. And lastly, Altseason, where money flows to all the small cap gems that YouTubers put in their thumbnails, regardless of the use case of the coins, where you get the 10x's, the 100x's, the 1000x's. But don't just invest in any small cap coins. They are extremely volatile due to their small market cap. So be very careful and do your own research. Okay, I have talked about how the bull market works. Now I will talk about the bear market, where a lot don't talk about. The bear market is when Bitcoin is below the 21 and 34 weekly EMA and altcoins are down severely, like really down, 90+% from the highs. Most are scared to invest during these times, but actually the bear market is the best time to invest. Most people only invest when price is going up, and that is totally wrong. It is the human mind playing tricks on you. And when you see something going up in price, we will naturally start to FOMO. buying at the tops, which is wrong. We have to buy things in the lows, especially in the bear market, which is the best time to buy to have the least risk to the downside. And then we can think of the gains we will get. But people are scared of the bear market, thinking about, oh, what if price goes even lower? What if it never goes back up? Well, by the time price goes back up, you will have missed the perfect entry down low. And then you are going to FOMO at tops again. Sounds familiar to you? Well, let's look at the charts to show you what I mean. Alright guys, let's look at Ethereum's chart for your first example. Now it's trading at about $2,000 and at the highs it was trading at $4,200 roughly. So what I'm saying is during the bear market, okay, let's say you have bought at the lows. Maybe it was worth less than 100 USD. Wow. Okay, but anyway, for example, if you have just bought around these levels, all right, let's just say $200, you have made more than 10x gains. But most people will have bought in at a later period of time, maybe the early 2021 period, where price started to gain in price crazily, and you have FOMO in. Okay, although you have made money, but you have at most made about 3x compared to the gains if you bought in at the lows. 10x to 20x gains compared to the 3 to 4x gains. You think about it. Okay, guys, so this is another altcoin called Matic, or better known as Polygon, which has gained popularity the past few months in 2021. Look at this chart. If you have just bought during these lows, okay, during this period of time, anywhere between this consolidation period, it was only about 2 to 3 cents. You would have been up more than 10x. That's what I mean by buying at the lows and at best, buying in a bear market. So in my opinion, we are in a mini bear market. So is this the time to buy altcoins? To me, not financial advice, but yes, I will personally get some altcoins. And one of the altcoins I'm looking at is Hathor Network, HTR. Well, it's down about 87% from the highs, so it's a great discount to get it. Not financial advice again, but this is just a coin that I am looking at. So, don't follow the majority. Bear markets might be boring, and most would not care about it until they see price going back up. But, as Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. For example, right now, in my opinion, we are having a mini bear market. Prices are down, so wink wink. Not financial advice. Bull markets make us feel good, but bear markets makes us rich. That's it from me. If you like this video, please hit the like button if you haven't already. I make videos weekly, so subscribe if you want contents like this. So do stay tuned to my next video where I'll be sharing with you my crypto investing strategy and when exactly to take profits. And if you want to earn interest on your crypto, you can use Blockfi and receive up to $250. Link is in the description below. As always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.